Merry Christmas, everybody. Jingle bells, Merry Christmas. Ha ha. This your boy Dominoes 7 here. Welcome to the Dominoes 7 show. Live location at my crib, okay? Yes, indeed, okay? Another lonesome Christmas without a female companion or whatever the heck I want to say. I don't know why the heck I'm saying all that, though. Okay, excuse me a minute. About to wish the whole world a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, world, and all who have it. Okay? Alright. I won't act a fool because there's some people outside, well, actually, across the street and stuff like that, but never mind all that, though. Okay? It's your boy Dominoes 7 here. Alright, got my hair cut and everything else. As y'all saw that episode when I showed y'all pics and crap. Okay? Yep, Merry Christmas to all. Okay? Your boy Dominoes 7 about to go to my peoples, but not right now, Zoom. And stuff like that, you know? Well, make a phone call after the break or whatever. Yeah, just gonna as a matter of fact, do y'all want to hear music right now? I'm gonna do the same thing I did last year. Show y'all that spirit of the season stuff, you know. Okay, the first session and the next section or whatever. Okay, we'll see how that's gonna go. Okay, all right. So y'all listen to the jingle. Okay, this jingle. All right.